soon to go to the library and buy some new washing baskets because ours are pathetic.
Hey, you got time to make any scones?
I might.
Oh.
Before I go or after?
Oh, before I suppose.
All right. Yeah, all right.
Anyone want some scones down there,
No.
jam and cream? Bob will. Laz said hi, Sue. Livy Stream said hi.
Hi.
Duck said hi, Mum. Max said hi, Mrs. Hay. You're very formal, Max. G'day, Vegas. Oh, mate, I'm going to finish this blinking spice rack. The boss has picked out how she wants the back to go, so we can do that.
All right. I'll go make scones.
I'd give you a kiss, but I've
Anyone
got
to think I'm
cooties.
domesticated or something?
You are. You are. You've got me well trained.
Yeah. Well,
I eat
I've got the kids well trained too, but they
No, but that's through fear.
It probably was. I just went crook at Noah because he
Oh,
was
did
going
you?
as slow as a wet week.
Oh, all right, Brandon. Yes, Theo's got a channel too. It's called Woodturning. It's on Wednesdays. You happy?
Yeah.
No, someone just said I
And-
should give you a shout. No, check it out.
And I've got 140
Oh.
people following me.
Yeah, but they're quality. Oh, so am I. So am I. Hey, and Theo just got what?
Back again.
Yeah,
Again.
Do you want the scones for after you're streaming or while you're
No.
streaming?
No, while we're
After.
streaming.
Oh, yeah, okay. I can't eat scone.
You know, that's all right. I'll eat yours.
But you can eat mine.
I'll eat yours. Then you can take your, what's it? Yeah, no, just a few, because I didn't have breakfast.
I'll have half one.
Yeah, he'll have and whipped cream and jam.
Sounds good.
Oh, yes, boil us. See, that's what happens. The coffee shop down the road shuts.
Fresh scones.
My wife kicks in. Oh, what was it?
Oh, you know what? We could
What?
probably get those coffees delivered by you, Uber.
Uber. Oh, that'd be
Uber food
good.
Delivery. Wouldn't
Yeah,
that be cool?
well, he could drop off the front gate and Bob can bring them down. What's the chance of that happening? Not real good.
Real good.
Scones, jam and cream.
Oh, check this out. The boss has arrived. I'll do a Jeff Hanna. Don't put it on where the... Look.
And we've got jam and cream.
Look at this. Jam. We got fresh scones, still warm. Oh, can you smell them? Oh, get some mooch. No, because I've got the cooties. You're a good woman.
Yeah, don't give me your cooties.
And they're fresh.
They are fresh.
Yeah,
Just
straight
come
out of the
oven.
packet.
Packet? You'll be suffering,
Tell the
boy.
people, is this a simple recipe?
It's
you do
called No Fail Scones. 4 cups of self-raising flour, 300 mils of cream, and 200 mils of lemonade. That's it.
That's it.
Oh, Bob wants to come in. He can smell the scones.
He's there. He's fronting up. There you go. You gonna have one?
No, thanks. I've got some with flies in it for the other lot.
Oh, blowies.
So, and then we're going to town.
Okay.
Cream and lemonade, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
I have to write that down later.
Absolutely. And I've done them a few times, and every time they've turned
They've
out
been
great.
good, haven't they?
Yep.
Bob's pacing the floor.
Oh, mate. I'll just see what they're like first. Oh, they're hot.
Oh, gosh. You're killing me, Steve.